So in today's video we're going to be analysing VEEE. So to get straight into it, we will actually start off with some support lines because it is already very extended on how we do technical analysis on this channel, which is through standard deviation channels. Our first support line is at 530 with the next one being at 512. Reason for this is, again, that is our fourth deviation on the 4 hour and our fourth deviation on the daily. So once we start falling in price, this is going to be our first target, and this is really where we see the stock falling. We don't expect to stay above this level for all that long. As we continue to fall down, our next target will be 480 with the next one being at 460, and again these will be our key support levels and we would expect to get here relatively quickly. Now going on to the 425 and the 410. These are levels, again, we do expect to start hitting, but maybe not as quick. Really, we expect to get back within these third deviations relatively quickly because while we're outside of it, we are very extended. But once we kind of come inside of there, it can kind of slow down. The momentum to the downside may slow. But 425 and 412 will be those targets. And then we kind of have final targets down to around 375 and 360. So these will be our key levels of support going down further. If you want levels even lower, we have around 320, which would be our absolute final target because that would be statistical mean on the 4 hour, and we only look to trade to this statistical mean. Now, hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you are, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and if you want any other stocks analysed, put them in the comments. But now we're going to get on to the resistance levels. And what are these levels going to be? Well, really, we don't have too many because, as I said, we're already over all our standard deviation channels. So for resistances, all we can really go off is the intraday high we created, which is 840, and then really just psychological levels. So, you know, we've got the $9, the $10, and then kind of every physical dollar up from there. One thing we can try is going on to a 20-day chart, but you'll see the same problem. Really, we don't have any targets. I mean, 827, 740, so we can add those as targets to the upside. But really, the main focus we have on VEEE right now is for it to fall, and we can fall into these support levels. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you want to see another small cap analysis video from today, go here. And if you want to see the strategy I trade every single day in the stock market, go here.